Hi everyone and welcome back to the last part of this tutorial. In this last video we will cover the finishing process of the preprare helmet. Now let's get started. First we trim the excess with a radial saw and then with a 150 grit paper we sand down the whole surface. We remove the dust traces using the Surface Solve Prep wipes and prepare the carbon spray, adding a 2% of methyl ethyl ketone peroxide. Since we are going to apply it by spray gun, we also add a 20% of thinner. Then, before applying the mixture, we cover the bigger imperfections with a little bit of undiluted carbon spray, and then we proceed with the application. We cover the whole surface and let it dry. Then, with a 240 grit paper, we sand down the surface until it's even. Once we finish, we repeat the same steps as many times as needed. For the last step, we apply Macrofan Airtech UHS polyurethane varnish in a mixing ratio of 1:1 to give it the glossy look. And this is the final result. If you have any suggestions, you can leave them in the comments below, and as always, remember to give it a like, subscribe and activate the notification button. I will see you in the next video.